Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today we have 2001 Mazda 323, stock number 6950. This ran from the 8th of 98 to the 12th 2003. It has an FS 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the FS 2 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 16-inch factory only tyre, front bonnet, left hand door mirror, left rear 16-inch factory only tyre, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory only tyre, right rear door 2 dents, right front door 1 dent, right hand guard, right front 16-inch factory only tyre, right front headlight needs polish, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, manual gear shifter, heated AC controls, aftermarket stereo, interior mirror, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,